Hey everyone! So in today's video, I'm going to talk about how to tint your own eyebrows. This 3-minute video will show you how to just simply tint them instead of having to do them every day. Hope you guys enjoy. Stay tuned. Okay, so starting off, you have your Just for Men Mustache and Beard Color, Petroleum Jelly, Cotton Swabs, and finally rubbing alcohol. Opening up the package, you find that it comes with a tray and your color and brush. Before doing anything, go ahead and dip your cotton swab into the petroleum jelly. Go around the edges of your eyebrow. This is to ensure that the permanent color does not get onto your skin because it is very hard to remove, trust me. So you have your color base in Real Black and your natural color developer. Apply them in the tray. I just do a dab here and a dab there, equal parts, swirl it around. You only need a little bit because they're eyebrows. And I apply in an upward motion, following the shape of my eyebrows. Continue to go over making sure that I evenly distributed the color. And then I trace back to where I colored outside the line. Let the color sit for 5 minutes. Go ahead and grab a cotton ball and apply the alcohol to it and remove the color. And that's your finished result. And this treatment you can do once every 2 weeks or once a week as the color starts to fade. And I just want to go over with my concealer and my flat edge brush and just go over the shape of my eyebrows. This is going to highlight the actual eyebrow and give them more of a neat appearance. Subtle, but good. And that's it. All you needed was a little bit of color, and they're natural. All right, you guys, take care, and I hope to see you soon. Bye.